Alright, so we start with the screw of the rear sunroof. So there's 3 screws on each side. So this is the one that I'm taking out right now, is in the front. I'm sorry, and it's in the middle. So there's one on the right and there's one on the left, and this is one on the middle. So there's 3 screws on each side of the sunroof. Let me fast forward. Be careful with the screw because it's very tight in there. It's really hard to get it out. Right there, drop. So now we move on to the right side of the screws, which is here. Right. So let me fast forward. Right there. So now this is on the other side, so I already took the screw out. So now what I'm doing is pop the sunroof up a little bit, right there. And then now we're on the 3rd screws. So it's on the underneath of the front sunroof. It's a little bit tight here, so you're gonna have to be careful. I mean, if you don't really want to do this, because it's, you know, a little bit hard, you can remove everything. You can remove the front sunroof, but I don't really want to do that. So here's the screws, and also there's one on the other side. So now to remove the sunroof all the way, you have to close the front sunroof. Okay, now you should be able to take it out, but you don't have to take out the glass. Just move it up forward, just enough room for you to take the screw here all the way in the back. This is from the back screws. And as you can see, you're able now to see the sunshade frame here. And pop the plastic here. Be careful, you might break it. And now see the frame is exposed and the sunshade coating. And just also pop this one up. And after that, after you pop it, you're gonna have to remove this frame arm, this kind of arm or bracket, because it's removable. So it just, all you have to do is just slide it out. It will slide out, just like so. There you go. Just put that away. Make sure you don't lose it. And now we're ready to do the other side. And now the back of the trunk or hatch, this panel here, you have to pull it out. It's a little bit hard, but you're gonna have to use a little bit of force there. And now the assembly of the sunshade is exposed. You're able to see, and there's two screws here, one left and one right. So we have to remove that. You're able to remove that without Alright, so here we are. I'm about to remove the screws of the back here. Like I said, there's two screws here, one left and one right. It's a little bit tight down there, but again, you can remove the headliner if you wanted to. I just don't want to do that. It's too much work for me. So as you can see now, screw is out, and you should be able to pull out the assembly, the sunshade, as you can see here. I was going to try to fix it, but there's no way, because it's old and worn out. Just might as well just replace a new one. So now I'm about to remove the shade out of the frame itself. There's a screw here, one on this side and one on the other. This side here. There's a cabo there that you have to remove, and also on the other side the same thing. And the sleeve, you have to make sure to remove the sleeve, because you're gonna have to reuse this. And also this sleeve goes to only one orientation, so make sure you keep it in a way that you don't get it other way around. So here's the spring that is responsible for rolling the curtain or the shade. It's already out of the loop. There's no way you can fix this. Same thing on the other side, is a little bit okay, but again, so there's no way to fix this. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe, share, like,